Hey everyone, my name is Nikhil Nair and this dance is dedicated to my friend Donita. Actually, this is choreographed by her. She's a fabulous bachata dancer, and a few hours back I just attended her class, and it's the first time I'm attending bachata class. So Donita, I have tried my best to give complete justice to your choreography. I'm sorry if I do any mistakes. So let's see. Thank you so much.
She got the brown eyes, caramel thighs, long hair, no wedding ring. Hey, I saw you looking from across the way, and now I really wanna know your name. She got the white dress, but when she's wearing less, man, you know that she drives me crazy. The brown eyes, beautiful smile, you know I love watching you do your thing. I love her hips, curves, lips say the words. See I'm a mommy, I kiss her. This love is like a dream, so join me in this bed that I'm in. Push up on me and sweat, darling, so I'm gonna put my time in. I won't stop until the angels sing. Jump in that water, be free. Come south of the border with me. Jump in that water, be free. Come south of the border with me.
He got that green eyes, giving me signs that he really wants to know my name. Hey, I saw you looking from across the way, and suddenly I'm glad I came.
Please do like, share, and subscribe. Clear or well performed. Thank you so much to share. Thanks, Donita.